Dude, for the last time, stop teabagging me.
Nah, dude. You know this is Halo. You die, you eat nut.
So, kinda like this?
Dude, screw it. It's the cops!
Dude, it's my doorbell. Calm down.
Alright, man. Who else you invite over?
Nobody? What?
You're telling me you didn't invite anybody over, and you're sure it's not the cops?
Yeah, exactly.
Must be the pizza guy.
You ordered us pizza?
No, I assumed you did.
I didn't order anything, bro.
It's the cops!
Calm down. Let me go take a look, dude, if you're really that scared.
Yeah, dude, go take a look. Dude, wait.
What?
If it's the cops, they probably have trained snipers on the house already, man.
You're so dumb.
What do you see?
I didn't even look yet. Give me a second.
Well, look!
Just calm down. Oh my god, Matt!
What?
There's a sniper out there! Get down! Not like that!
I don't think anyone's home. Should we move to the next house?
Keep ringing the doorbell.
Nothing's broken. Why the hell do they keep ringing the doorbell?
I don't know. Maybe they don't have a warrant.
Maybe they're just polite? Is there anywhere to hide?
My headache! Oh. What did you do that for? We have to stay low. You're a piece of shit.
I don't think anyone's home.
Ring it again.
Almost got it. Fuck. Alright, hallway's clear. Come on. Alright.
Yo, it's right through that door.
No one answers doors anymore. I guess we're on to the next one.
This is the 5th house today. Does nobody want free money?
We should be safe up here, right?
Yeah, we should be. Let me go take a look, though.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't see anything anymore.
Do you hear that?
What?
Exactly. I don't hear a doorbell anymore.
Oh, yeah. The cops are here! The cops are here! I don't see any cops, man.
What happened to Matt? There's a sniper. Get down.
I saw what I saw.
And we army crawled, motherfucker. We're brothers now.
Matt, we are brothers.
Oh yeah.
So I guess we're just gonna keep the money then, right?
Dude, we might as well. We've been to what, 5, 6 different houses and nobody wants free money?
I guess 25 and 25. Let's go have some fun with this
There's
money.
a lot I could do with 25 grand, brother.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my god.
Oh, they look like they had fun. They're gonna spend that money well,
I hope they do. Shout out to our friends for helping us make that
Shout out. We just said them at the same time.
We did.
We are the average viewer. Thank you for watching our first skit on the channel. We're gonna hope to get you more. We are gonna get you more. We like shooting them. We like writing them.
We hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, like, subscribe, share with a friend.
Notify. And thanks for visiting the channel.
Send public mail as well if you want.
I'm Matt.
I'm Alex.
Thanks for watching.
And we're the average viewer.
Let's watch it.